Hi friends, my name is Amol Ashok Nazan and today's video topic is array. So first of all, Java having eight Java having two data types. First of all, primitive data types, and second one is the non-primitive data type. So basically, primitive data type is integer, string, character, boolean, float, long, etc. And second one is non-primitive data types. So the types of non-primitive data types is array and string. So today I will discuss the array. So first of all, what is mean by the array? So array, definition of array is, so array means similar, it is the collection of similar data types. So yeah, so array is a object and it is the inherited by the object class. So how can which so use of the array is used to the store the similar data types. So what is mean by the similar data types? Suppose integer, and character, it is the similar data types. So why use in the array? So suppose multiple element can be stored in single unit, can be used the array. So basically, why array in declare? So array in declare in suppose integer a, square bracket is equal to new integer and array size. So it is the declare by the array. So array array size is the fixed. Only it is the only can be element store the limit of the element can be stored. So uh, we can store the array element is the fixed, and uh, which types can be array used. So first one is the single dimensional array, and second one is the multi-dimensional array. So single dimensional array is in the single form, example of single dimensional array. Suppose we are creating the array. So integer a curly bracket is equal to curly bracket 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and close the curly bracket. It is the storing the single dimensional array. So array can be used to the performing the various operation. So first one is the sorting, and removing. It is used to the in this operation can be used the array. So various advantages of the array. So first advantages of the array, it is can be used to the multiple it is used to the multiple element in store in the single unit, is the most important use of the array. So second use of the array, it is the element can be accessed. So array element is can be accessed the index position. So array index position is array element is stored in the its index position, and it is accessed by the index position. So array element can be stored. Suppose the first element 1 is stored in the 0 index position, and second one element is the array is the one position. So array first element is always is the 0 index position, and last one element is the array is always a dot length -1. It is the last element of the array. So basically disadvantages of the array. So array size is fixed, is the big advantages of the array. So array size can dynamically cannot be changed. So it is the disadvantage of the array. So array second one type is the multi-dimensional array. So multi-dimensional array is the is the part of the array. So two types of the multidimensional array. So as two-dimensional of the array, in two-dimensional array inside the two-dimensional array creating the matrix form. Suppose the syntax of the multidimensional array. Suppose integer a, the square bracket and another and other square bracket is equal to new integer array size. It is the syntax of the two-dimensional array. So array can be performing the searching operation. So sir, what is searching operation? The searching operation is the to access the element in the access by the specific element in the its index position. So it is called as the searching operation. And sorting operation, suppose sorting operation is the example of sorting operation. Suppose the suppose we are creating the array a is equal to curly bracket a is equal to curly bracket 1 2 3 4 5 1 1 4 3 5 7 and 9. So it is the order, it is the element is not ordered in the array. So in this order in ascending in this element can be set the ascending or descending order. So so it is the sorting operation. So array is basically used in the collection framework, but collection framework is used in the array list. So array list is the so array list size is dynamically changed and it is size not fixed. So but array size is the fixed. So it is the big advantages of the array. So array is the uh, array is the basically used in the multiple element can be single times. So multiple element, suppose example of company employee. So company employee data is saving suppose integer a, yeah, a is equal to uh, Ramesh, and second one string s is equal to Ganesh. So it is the one by one data storing. So it having the loss of memory. So so it can be using the array. So array is the so array using the using the this data in single unit. So it is the most use of the array. So it is the big use of array. So it is using the multiple data in single times. It is the use of the array. So array array size is the fixed and second one is the so array using the for each loop. So for each loops is using the looping operation. And advantages of array is the used to the code optimization. So array is used to the code optimization. And second use to the array is the random access. So array element is the directly random access in the so array's index position. So we can store the array size is fixed and array size is fixed and the array is the object. So array is the object and it is a non-primitive data types. So object parent class, so array's object parent class is the object is the parent class of the array. And So array used to the performing the various operation. Thank you.